Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys or sharing with you all my salad recipe. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to love this particular recipe. Okay, I was about to have my dinner. This is what I'm going to be having for dinner. You guys know I'm on a weight loss journey. In case you don't know, yeah, I'm on a weight loss journey and I eat whatever I love. Any type of food I want to eat, I go for it. I'm not always on any specific diet or eating the most healthiest food in the whole world, but I try as much as possible to eat healthy, like all the time. Most of the time, not all the time, but I still give in to my cravings, you understand. So this evening I was craving for this particular salad recipe that I'm about to share with you guys now, and I thought I should film it to share with you also. I hope you enjoy this video. So on my plate I have my lettuce here, I have one cucumber, I have my green onion, which can be called spring onion as well. I have my shrimp, which you guys have seen in the first clip of me washing and deveining the shrimps. And I have one one avocado here. I have my cherry tomatoes, I have my pink salt and my fish seasoning. Why I'm using the fish seasoning is because of the shrimp right here. So you can use any seasoning of your choice, and you can always improvise, add or remove according to your taste and choice. So I've already washed and deveined the shrimps, but I'm going to wash the lettuce, the other vegetables here, and then we'll get cooking and mixing. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to click that like button and let's get started. Alright guys, that is it for this salad recipe. Go ahead and give it a try. You can enjoy it as it is, which is the way I'm going to enjoy it now. Like, I can't wait to devour this. It is so tasty. Trust me guys, you need to try this salad recipe, and after trying it you will never stop eating it. And you can also pair this with rice, boiled potatoes, boiled yam, plantain, spaghetti, pasta, like name them. It is so versatile. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, and I will see you all in my next one.